If you are looking for a way to make money from the crypto market without investing in the crypto market, then pay close attention to this video, alright? By the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money from the cryptocurrency market as a skilled professional, alright? Without having to invest money, alright? All you just need to do is know a particular skill, have a skill, or be a professional or an expert in a particular field, alright? It could be marketing, it can be a data analyst or whatever it is, alright? Then also have some basic knowledge of the cryptocurrency market, alright? And probably have some crypto wallets that you can use to receive your payment, alright? If this is your first time visiting my channel, you are highly welcome to let me know in the comment section so that I'll welcome you to this wonderful tribe. My name is Okafumere Cynthia, and on this channel, I talk about make money online. I talk about marketing, I talk about jobs, and I talk about cryptocurrency as well, alright? So do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people get to see and learn from it, alright? So let's get back to what we are here for, alright? Which is how to make money in the crypto market without investing or trading as a skilled professional, alright? Yeah, let's get started, alright? So when it comes to making money in the cryptocurrency market without investing, alright, there are a lot of things you need to do, which we are going to be discussing right now on this video, alright? So that is the more reason why you need to stay to the end of this video. You don't need to go anywhere so that you get the whole steps, alright? So that is it. Now, to make money from the cryptocurrency market without investing, alright, you need to service business owners, you need to service brands, alright? We have thousands of companies in the financial market, the stock, the crypto, and the forex market, alright? All these finance markets that are interrelated, alright? So the stock market, the forex market, and the crypto market. We have a lot of brands. We have, we have Binance. We have a lot of forex trading platforms and also a lot of stock trading platforms, alright, that you can work for and actually get paid. Sometimes when we talk about making money from the crypto market that investing, 90% of people think is all about airdrop, alright. It's not everybody that have time to be registering on different apps, doing different airdrops, inviting their friends to participate and all of those stuff. Sometimes it's draining. You can do 20 and get lucky with just one, depending if that one is something very tangible. It can pay off for the struggle, alright. But if you are someone who don't have that bulk of the time to while away your time gambling on different airdrops to actually finally get one that will work, you can decide to pick up a skill and take it seriously, rebrand, and start promoting yourself as an expert in that niche in the financial market. I'm going to show you how you can do this by the end of this video. So try as much as possible to stay to the end. If you are getting value already, let me know in the comment section. Say I am getting value, alright? So now, these companies that we've talked about, companies like Binance, Bybit, and CoinMarketCap, a whole lot of them, right? They have websites, they have social media pages, they are active on Twitter, they are active on LinkedIn, alright? They are active on Instagram, most especially is Twitter and LinkedIn, alright? They have Discord channels, alright? So this their websites, their social media pages, they need content. Their websites need content, alright? So you have to be very active on some of these platforms if you really want to, get some of these jobs. Now, like I said, these companies, they have websites, they have social media pages, they need content. Who writes those contents? Is it the owner of the brand? No, it's skilled professionals like you and I, alright, that will do this work for them. So if you're a content creator, you can apply to them to be a creator, alright, and you get paid for doing that, alright. The social media manager, you can apply to them to be their social media manager, and you get paid for doing that, alright. So that is it. So now, like I said, these companies, they don't just need writers and social media managers, alright. They need SEO experts because they have a website, alright. They need SEO experts to make their website to rank high on Google, alright. I've said it before, they need social media managers, they need content creators, yeah, they need video editors, they need graphic designers. But if it's a platform like maybe an exchange, they always list coins and they will always need to design their awareness flyer for the coins they are listing. They always, post news and, update their social media handles. And they will always need editors, graphic designers, and so on and so forth to help them make their social media presence visually appealing. All right, so that's it. They need business analysts, they need tax auditors, and more, because some of these companies, they run in US and some other top tier countries, which requires them to actually do what? To pay tax. All right, so they need tax auditors to actually help them review their tax, to help them to be on the good side of the government laws, to avoid being shut down in that country. All right, so they even need lawyers. All right, you just have to pick up a skill, position yourself very well in it as a skilled professional in that aspect, and start making money from it. All right, so that is it. Like I said, to make money from these business owners, you need to do what? You need to have the skills that is needed. All right, you need to have the skills that is needed for them to run their day-to-day business activities. You need to have what they need to actually run their day-to-day business activities. All right, so what are these skills? There are a lot of them. All right, we have graphic designers, we have social media managers, we have content creation, we have marketing, we have accounts. All right, we have cyber security, and lots more. All right, no matter the skill you have, even as a customer acquisition expert, all right, some of these exchanges, especially the new ones that are coming up, they still need customers. They need promoters. They need promoters in different countries. So whatever country you are in, you can be their major promoter in that company, and they pay you to organize some marketing programs, to organize some mini events where people will come, you educate them little on cryptocurrency, introduce their app to them as an app that they can use to trade cryptocurrency, and you get paid for organizing this program. All right, and don't forget, they're getting paid in probably their native token, or maybe in USD. All right, which is the reason why I said it's important that you have the basic knowledge of cryptocurrency. All right, and also have some wallets and know how to at least be able to exchange your USD or whatever coin they have given to you to the currency that is being used in your country. All right, so that is it. There are a lot of skills that you can use to make money from the cryptocurrency market. If you're a content creator, you can shift from writing for just normal business to business to writing for cryptocurrency brands. All right, so that is it. Now, beyond having these skills, you need to know how to attract these business owners. All right, because the thing is, most of these people, they are not Nigerians. They are not on your Facebook timeline. All right, if you decide to say, let me use my Facebook timeline to market my skills, I'm not saying it's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad to use your social Facebook to promote. All right, but you are going to basically get some local brands that is still starting up that would want to even pay you in naira, and you see them pricing you things like 100k, 150k. All right, but if you are branding yourself on platforms like Twitter, on platforms like LinkedIn, you can easily get brands that will pay you as high as $500 to $1,000 to do one or two things for them. All right, so you have to be on the right platform. All right, you have to be on the right platform. So where can you find these customers? Where can you find these clients? You already know, I've mentioned it 2 or 3 times already. All right, platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Upwork. All right, even on Fiverr, but these 3 I mentioned here is what you can use more. All right, to meet up with these clients. All right, LinkedIn, apart from if you are still starting out with LinkedIn, all right, you might not really have some of these people on your timeline, but to start attracting them to your profile, you need to join groups. All right, we go to LinkedIn the same way we have Facebook groups. All right, we have LinkedIn groups. All right, you can search for groups relating to cryptocurrency on your LinkedIn account. You're going to see a lot of groups. You can even filter it down if you know the top countries that are trading cryptocurrency that actually have the capacity to pay well. Let's say cryptocurrency groups in Singapore, cryptocurrency groups in Canada, cryptocurrency groups in USA. You join these groups. When you join these groups, depending on the service that you are offering, all right, I hope you're following. If you're following, let me know in the comment section. Depending on the service that you are offering, all right, you can make an educative content, all right, and post in these groups with a picture, either a design or your own picture. It helps to attract the people who need your services, all right. I've gotten jobs on LinkedIn by posting in groups, and I'm sure this same strategy is also going to work for you. If you but then before you start posting in groups, always make sure that you have branded your LinkedIn handle. Maybe one of these days I'm going to make a video on how you can rebrand your LinkedIn handle, all right, to help you become employable, all right, because employers don't want to come to your LinkedIn profile and say lover of God. I know everybody loves God, but then you are there to look for job. You are not there to preach God, all right. So you have to put the skills that brought you to the platform on your bio. It even helps you to appear in search when people are searching for those skills, all right. So that is it. Then we'll have Twitter, all right. Twitter is should I say, the number one Web3 platform where you can easily connect with both exchanges, brand owners, as the manager, the brand owners, like the CEOs, all right, the companies itself, all right. All you just have to do is make posts, comments on their post, and engage with them. You can even DM them, all right. So that is it. Then we'll have Upwork. Upwork, you can create and verify your Upwork account and start applying for job. But if you want to actually get job easier, you start from the first two I mentioned, which is LinkedIn and Twitter. If you have any other platform where you feel is Web3 centric that is not mentioned here, that is aside Telegram, because I don't know how people will reach out to you on Telegram if you have not promoted yourself on either of the social media handles and put your Telegram link, all right. So that is it. Now, how do you get started? The first thing is acquire the skills needed. Let's say that you want to start making money from the cryptocurrency market, but you don't have any skills yet. You can decide to be a graphic designer, you go and start learning it. You can decide to be a data analyst, you go and start learning it. You can decide to be a video editor, you go and start learning it, all right? After you must have acquired this skill, all right? Try to build your portfolio, all right? Build up your portfolio, all right? Join job boards. There are a lot of job boards. We have Indeed and so on and so forth, all right? You can also, while I was talking about LinkedIn, I didn't make mention of jobs being posted. You can also apply for jobs that these crypto brands post on their LinkedIn profile, all right? So you join job boards, you revamp your social media handles, starting from your profile picture, your cover picture, and also your bio, all right? Even your description, all right? Update it, revamp it, get it look like somebody who is on the platform to get job, not somebody who is there to cash cruise, all right. So that is it. Now get active. What I mean by get active on this platform for at least 1 month is post educative content relating to what you are doing. You can pick up some brands, do free work for them, post it on your social media handle. Make sure to keep your account active with content and post related to the job you want to start rendering to businesses for at least 1 month before you start posting either in groups and so on and so forth, all right. Then after you must have kept your account active for at least 1 month, you can now go ahead to start doing DM marketing, pitching your services to people. The reason why you need to keep your account active for at least 1 month is so that when you send somebody a DM to request to help them do 1 or 2 things, all right, they will always want to check out your your timeline to see what you are doing. They will always want to check out your bio to see what you are doing, if you have done it for people before, and so on and so forth. So it's important that you post content related to what you are doing on your profile, all right. So that is it. And I think I've done a whole lot of talking already. I've covered a lot, and I believe serious people who are watching this video right now should have gotten 1 or 2 moments where they can hold on to and go and start learning skills that will help them start making money from the cryptocurrency market, all right. So The financial market is not all about charts, all right? You can as well be a skilled professional and make money from it. You don't necessarily need to know downtrend and uptrend to make money. You can just have basic knowledge of what is cryptocurrency, the blockchain, and so on and so forth. And you make money with them. You even make money more than some traders who are not so serious with their life, alright? So that is it. Now, pay close attention. The difference between you and I, alright, the difference between you and another person who is also watching this video, alright, is the action you take after watching this video, alright. We have people who will come and watch, finish, and say, oh, I'm going to take action, alright. Then we have people who finish watching, alright, decide that they are going to use graphic design skills to make money from the cryptocurrency market. They go and start learning, they go and practice, and they start advertising, and they start making money. If you finish watching this video right now and you go and relax, you're definitely not going to make money, alright? If you finish watching this video right now and you say, I will start, there's a possibility that by December you have not started, alright? But then, if you finish watching this video right now and you go and get started immediately, there's a possibility that in less than 2 to 3 months that you must have even started getting jobs, alright? So, whatever you decide to do, ensure that you are making money, alright? That is the most important thing, alright? So whatever you do with what you learn here today will determine the results you will get in the next 6 months, in the next 2 months, and in the next 5 months, alright? So that is it. I hope you got value from this video today. I believe you did, alright? And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also let me know in the comment section if you got value from this particular video, alright? So if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to your community, share to your WhatsApp, and so on and so forth, alright? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel once again. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.